Welcome back to Westlock Motors. What you're looking at here, folks, is stock number 16T93, a 2016 Chevy Silverado LTZ 1500 double cab finished in a stone blue metallic. This is the True North edition and is powered with the Ecotec 3 5.3 liter V8 engine and paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Room for you and up to 5 passengers with the full rear bench seat. And the 40-20-40 split bench seat in the front. With plenty of storage, extra USB and auxiliary ports, and a hidden storage compartment underneath. Interior is home to power windows, mirrors, and door locks, auto 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, cruise control, steering wheel stereo audio and Bluetooth voice controls, driver information center, traction control, LED cargo box lighting, hill descend assist, heated seats, dual zone climate control, Chevy's 8-inch color touch infotainment center complete with OnStar turn-by-turn navigation, projection for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and rear vision camera. The safety and security of OnStar. Exterior features include body-colored mirror caps and door handles, tailgate steps, the easy lift and lower tailgate, spray and bed liner. Once again, this is stock number 16T93, a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 double cab, True North edition. Call or come in today to book your test drive at Westlock Motors, where we'll always meet your car, truck, and SUV needs.